Hello everyone, welcome to the new speed building series for the Somerset, Taunton, Raynham Industrial, the STRI, or if you want to abbreviate it slightly differently, the STRI. So, today we have the railroad crossing by Hart Street. Now this is not how it is present day or how it was, but this is my own take on it. It's a fictional railroad, which is based on the Somerset line that the New Haven had. Went through Somerset, Mass, and connected up by Fall River. And also connected up to Taunton as well. So, around here is our little forested scene, and actually a little backstory on the railroad. So they just, so the railroad, they didn't have enough funding to keep track maintenance for this bit and a few other bits, so they kind of let them go dormant. Recently, in recent times, they have finally at least tore out the tracks to restore rail service down to Somerset. But the problem is that they can't get rid of the weeds. They've grown so deep into the ground that they can't really pull them out. So they have to run locomotives at a restricted speed through here, no greater than 20-25 mile an hour. So, yeah, but still sees freight traffic, and in the time I'm trying to base this in, like early to mid 1990s. In fact, I'll put two screenshots up here where I specifically mention the year. I think for one of them I go at least to the month, probably to the date, but yeah. So what's going on now is that we're putting in our tree cover and making sure it's not really like clogging up the track, so you can still run trains through without there being like risks to hitting tree limbs, stuff like that. And I don't have the best computer. In fact, my friend has a better one. One of the friends is working on the East Broad Top, Emmett. He has a 40 series card, and I have a 30 series card. But, both of our route building techniques take a decent amount of graphics. But, that aside, the history of the railroad is that it was founded in the 1930s. They used to run steam on there. They used to get like old New Haven equipment, used Boston and Maine equipment, stuff like that. In fact, they had a Boston and Maine Atlantic running through at one point, but that has since been scrapped. But right now, you see how many spline points there are? Yeah, I'm literally just going everywhere with the dirt, and that's the one thing I did before this. So yeah, it took all of like 10 minutes to place all that down for a short area. Don't get me wrong, it looks pretty cool, but it's headache inducing actually trying to do that. But there will be more videos to come of this in the future. And at this point, I'll pretty much let you relax and watch the video. There is more to come on this series in the future, so stay tuned to the YouTube channel. You'll see more at some point. I don't know when exactly, but you will see more at some point. I'll try to at least do like monthly updates on this, but yeah, other than that, I don't really have much else to add. I'll post updates, like screenshot updates in the Discord server before I, like, get the videos out. But yeah, that's all I have to say. Enjoy the time lapse, because I can't think of anything to say the whole time. But yeah, enjoy the time lapse.